Okay, so what is something that you see in these equations that would be symmetric in x and y?
What do you mean?
Well, I want to create some new variables. I don't want to look at this as x's and y's. I want to turn this into something with two variables. One I'm going to call u and one I'm going to call v. So I'm going to try to simplify these equations by looking at things that are symmetric in x and y. So what might be something I could let u equal that's symmetric in x and y and something that you see in both equations?
Like xy?
Okay, so let's say u equals xy. So this equation would become x minus u plus y. Mm-hmm. And this would be x squared minus u plus y squared. And if I can find some clever thing to let v be, since I have two variables, I'm going to need two substitutions here. So what do you think is something I could let v be that would be nice and simple and also symmetric in x and y?
I'd let it be x plus y squared.
V is x plus y squared.
X plus y quantity squared.
Okay, how come you're choosing that?
Well, we can, I guess maybe it would be easier to have it be just x plus y.
Okay.
Because then we can get rid of some square roots.
Okay, yeah, if we can avoid square roots, that's always nice. So if I let v equals x plus y, what does the second equation become?
So the second equation becomes just a v minus u.
Okay, so v minus u equals minus 5. And how about the first equation?
So it's going to become v squared minus 3u.
Okay. V squared minus 3u equals 13. Okay. What can I do here?
Well, now we can at least get something in terms of v, so we can multiply this equation by 3.
Okay.
And then subtract it away.
Alright. And then what am I left with?
So you'd get v squared minus 3v equals 28.
V squared minus 3v equals 28. Okay. V squared is 3v equals 28, or I'll say minus 28.
Yeah.
Equals 0. Alright, can you see how to solve that equation?
We can factor it. It would be v minus 7 times v plus 4.
Okay. So v equals 7 and v equals minus 4. Okay, so what does v equals 7 mean?
So it means x plus y equals 7,
Okay.
which we already found. If we found the 3 and 4.
Ah, okay. Well, if x plus y equals 7, we could put that into maybe to this equation.
Mm-hmm.
And we would have...
We get x times y equals 12.
Okay, so we would have x plus y equals 4 and xy equals 12.
X plus y would be 7.
X plus y equals 7. Yeah, because 5 plus 7, yeah, xy equals 12. Alright, so what are those? What is this? How do I solve this equation? I have two numbers that sum to 7 and their product is 12.
Well, this is just a generic quadratic.
Okay, what is the quadratic?
So it's let's call it a.
Okay.
A squared minus 7a plus 12 because of the sum and product.
Okay.
So then this factors, this is a minus 4 times a minus 3.
Okay. So those are our x and y's, 3 and 4. And then they can be either one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Now let's do the other one when v equals minus 4. Just do that in the next video.